Hi, this is HooLoo, and now I will introduce you our clean kits. This is a very good tools to help you to clean the fence. To If you want to clean all fence, we need to use the water tap. And now I will put down these three and based on the water tap. Yes, pay attention. We need to try again. No, not this one. And this one, it has inner rings. We can coils, but it's not. We can't use too much press on it, or it will drop. The correct is use this one. We can try one by one to find the correct one based on your water tap. Yeah. And now we can connect with green. Yeah. Yeah, just like this. I will show you again. We can pull down this and to plug. Yeah. And now we should to pull down this. Pay attention, this is active carbon bag. We don't need this one if we do hydrolysis or essential oil. Now we will plug this one, and we can more deeper and tied. It's better, or it's easily to fill. Okay, now we reverse this. Pay attention. Do not like this, or all of tube will into the fence. Okay, open the water tap. We will start to clean, and after 3 minutes we can close it. It's clean down, or we can add some acid, lemon acid to clean. Okay, that's done. Thank you for watching.